Weight gain is a major concern for today's society. To reduce the weight, people try different things such as complete fasting, having juice and fruits, LCHF diet, keto diet, GM diet, egg diet, etc. The other day I came across with one young patient having high creatinine levels and found that she was on keto diet for a long time to reduce the weight. Just by hearing something, we go behind it without even checking whether it suits for the individual or not. Some people avoid rice products to reduce weight, but they love sugar. Sugar is the important component of weight gain. Person who craves for sugar tends to become fat. It's always wise to treat the cause than treating the symptom. So let's focus on the causes of weight gain. There are 6 common causes for weight gain. The first cause could be hereditary cause. If people in our family tree are obese, chances are high for us being overweight. Second cause could be hormonal imbalances, most commonly seen in thyroid disorders, PCOD, fibroid uterus in women. So treat the cause and avoid weight gain. Third cause could be a sedentary lifestyle. Most of us, unlike the past generation, are leading a sedentary lifestyle. Hence, weight gain and the problems related to obesity are more common in the present era. Lack of exercises in a sedentary life resulting the accumulation of fat and weight gain. Improving the physical activity can reduce the weight gain. Fourth cause could be side effects of certain medicines. The medication taking for certain diseases such as steroids, certain diabetic medications can cause weight gain. Fifth cause could be a poor metabolism. Metabolism is a process where the consumed nutrients are used and the waste is thrown or excreted out. If our lifestyle does not allow this metabolism to function properly, we may land up in obesity. So build up a routine to consume the calories as per the need of the body. Lack of sleep and stress could be the sixth cause. Sleep disturbance can result in certain hormone imbalances. Studies have shown in chronic sleep deprivation, there is a reduced leptin levels and increased ghrelin levels. And this ghrelin is a hormone which induces the appetite and reduces the energy expenditure. And its increased level can result in weight gain. And the stress may initially cause the loss of appetite, but in long run, stress induces cortisol levels in body, which causes craving for food and resultant weight gain. These are the most common causes for weight gain. So we should find out the cause and try to eliminate it to reduce the weight. We'll return shortly with tips and tricks for a healthy weight reduction.